I am going to tell you the story of my YouTube channel. Do you want to know my secrets? How I got my first 1,000 subscriber? Then keep watching. At first, I am going to talk about how it all started. I came to Germany in 2012 and immediately after coming I started missing India and Indian food. So I locked myself in kitchen and started trying and experimenting with recipes. And in the meantime, I passed my German language course, DSH, with good grades. And then immediately afterwards, my PhD started, and my colleagues also started asking for my recipes. So I started writing for them. After that, I got married with my soulmate. I gave up my PhD, took a break, started a new hobby, that is YouTubing. Why I choose Indian Soul in Europe as the name of my channel? Because I feel that although even after all the years in Germany, my soul is still Indian and I love India. And this is something that defines me, but without using my name. So it's one of my branding strategy. My niche is health and cooking, career tips, and German language, and the strategies of how to come to Germany and live here and get success. Now comes the question how I shoot my videos. So initially I used a camera and mobile phone and a tripod, and I edit using any app. And at first I edited using Windows Movie Maker. And now to make these kind of videos I use PowerPoint and screen recorder. Now let's learn about when you make video you need to have some structure. So my common structure is I first do an introduction and then a short ad for my channel and disclaimer, body, thank you and subscribe request. So this is how it works. Now I just don't stop after uploading the video. I promote it on my Facebook page and I created a special Facebook page for Indian Soul in Europe. The link is here. And then there are some Facebook groups in which I share my channel and uh, I promote it in my social media, in Twitter, in Instagram, and everywhere. And I usually make instructional video about or tips videos about common life. So I keep giving a reference of my videos in my suggestions. So whenever I write any Facebook comment or so, I give a reference of my video. Then when you start your channel you get a lot of support and love, uh, especially in my case I was uh, very lucky to have such wonderful people around me. So it really truly connects and create bonds. I usually take some time to answer the questions that people ask to me, and most important thing is your family helps to get your subscribers. So, if you make a YouTube channel, you can tell your family members to do some promotion for you. Well, I am not standing here alone. I want to convey my special thanks to my husband and my sister Vanna Nadi, Shalandya ji, Shalja, Simon, Amal, and Isha, and Pallavi Didi. Also, I want to thank to RVTI in those class, and here is the name of the wonderful, beautiful girls. And special thanks goes to my friends Nivedita, Himanshu, and Pallavidi, and YouTube family, Bharat from Bharat in Germany. Um, Sankalp, I read your comments and they are very good. I really wait for them. Raviji, I read your comments. And one big thanks goes to the Facebook groups. Um, like Indian expat woman in Munich and Germany. And Ratnaji, you manage this group so well and always you motivate me and inspire me. Little Munich Black Book, what a wonderful group it is. If you live in Munich, you must join this group. And Indian woman in Frankfurt area, in the beginning of my channel, when I was in Frankfurt, I got so much love from Anuradha, Prachi, and Nivedita. Now let's talk about how to deal with bullying and stereotyping. So sometimes people tell me very mean things, but my principle is I ignore and keep going. And sometimes when it is needed, I answer. So let's talk about is YouTubing worth it? So because of the high monetization requirements, 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours watch time, it seems at first impossible to have a monetized channel, but I would say it takes time. And in my case, it took time because I am living in Germany and have no big friend circle here, and so and so. Um, if you get affiliation and sponsorships, then yes, it is very worth it. You get only a small, very small percentage of your ad revenue. So monetization of a channel is not that important. um, you will get some offers of promotion and sponsorship. So but first be aware of the security of channel, because it's not about a YouTube channel, it's about your branding strategy. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to me and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.